Hey everyone, Melissa at Railway here, joined by Hamza Sharif. He is a solutions engineer at Doppler. And Doppler is one of Railway's integration partners, and they specialize in secrets management. Hamza, do you want to say hello and just give us a little high level explanation of what secrets management is?
Yeah. Hey, thank you. Thank you for having me here. So, quick explanation. Any application is made up of three components. You traditionally have the application code, you have the infrastructure, and then you have the secrets. And so the code is usually stored in a repository like GitHub. For the actual infrastructure, you have providers like Railway. And then for the secrets, that's something that's usually not focused on. And this is really important because secrets are things like database credentials, API keys, extremely sensitive material that you need to manage in a cohesive way with the team. And that's what Doppler does. Doppler allows you to have that platform to manage all your secrets across all your services.
Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Secrets management, I know, is a challenge for development workflows, particularly when you're kind of like readying to go into production. Just like how to effectively manage all of the API keys, connection strings, etc., and then also bringing in teams and allowing access to those secrets. So, thank you for that explanation. And with that, I would love to just jump right into a demo. All right, so here we are in my railway project. And speaking of, secrets management, I just want to mention that within Railway, we have some native features baked right in that do allow for, I think, some pretty cool, kind of secret management functionality. And so what I mean by that is what we call shared variables. So here at the project level, I'm looking at again a project with two services in Railway. So if I need to share variables between these services, either I can go into each service and configure the variables there, or I can use shared variables. Again, a native feature in Railway. So shared variables allows you an easy way to share variables across multiple services within a project. So here I'm just going to go ahead and add a variable called test. Again, now this is at the project level. So if I close out of here, I can go in and say, let's say backend needs access to that variable. I can hop into the service level variables. I don't see any here yet, but if I go to shared variables, I can easily add this test variable right to the service. And so again, that's one way to manage, secrets at a project level right from within Railway. But let's say, you have a need or a desire to manage these things in a centralized platform. Well, that's where Doppler comes in. And that's why I think this integration is really cool, and super excited to show just how easy it is to get set up. And so I'm just going to switch over to this view. And so again, I have the same project in Railway over here on the left, my Doppler project on the right. And yeah, let's get this integration going. So Hamza, if you don't mind, could you just walk me through, the steps to get this set up?
Yeah, for sure. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we have an API token on the Railway side in order to communicate with Doppler.
Okay,
So if you could create that token.
cool. Yep, I'll go ahead and do that. So in my account details, set up a token here.
Yeah, and you can name it whatever you want. And once you create it, just make sure you copy it because you only get to access it that once.
All right, copied.
Perfect. And so now on the Doppler side, you're already inside the front end project. So we're going to go into the integrations tab, and you're going to click that button on the top right.
All right.
Awesome. So we have a list of the integrations. We're going to choose Railway here. And now, in order to set up the integration, we need to provide that API token. Again, you can name it whatever you want.
All right. Paste in that token.
Perfect.
And
And so then we've established the connection, and then we can choose to actually configure the integration. And that means choosing the Railway project we want to sync the secrets to, and
okay.
choosing the Doppler config we want to sync over the Railway.
All right. So this project is called Doppler demo. So here it is. My environment. I'm going to choose production. I'll do share across all services. And this is the configuration in Doppler.
Yep.
And I'll go ahead and prefer Doppler here and set up.
Perfect. So now it's just syncing, and now it says in sync, and that means secrets are being synced from Doppler to Railway in real time.
Amazing. I'll just hop over. Let's see what secrets I should expect here. So now I'm going to go back into my project variables, and there they are. Amazing.
Awesome.
Beautiful. So again, that was super easy. And now I'm all set up. I can manage my secrets over here in Doppler, and they will just be immediately synced over to my Railway project. Super cool. Is there anything else, Hamza, that users would love to know about with regards to this integration?
Yeah, absolutely. So when we're talking about a production level application, like the one we're just seeing in Railway, we need to have a lot of variables rotated based on a set cadence. There's compliance requirements with production level environments. So if you have an API key that you need to change or rotate, it becomes really tedious and actually a security problem to do it manually. So Doppler actually offers automated rotation. And so we can rotate secrets and have that change cascade into services like Railway. So I know you have a rotated secret set up here. So we can actually go ahead and test and rotate it.
Cool. Yeah, the rotated secrets feature is super awesome. It takes, a lot of the kind of toil away from having to think about when was the last time I changed the secret, because we potentially have a security issue here. So yeah, let's go ahead. I want to show first that these secrets that will be rotated are attached to this API key password. Just show the value currently as A51, JW, etc. And in Railway, cool, see the same value. Let's go ahead and rotate them. So I click these buttons, right?
And yep, and you click rotate now.
Rotate now, cool. Cool. All right, let's see what we got. Okay. So the value now is 7IXC, and let's do a refresh in Railway, and cool. Looks like that's updated. Beautiful.
Perfect. And now we can actually go into the log section in Doppler and actually see the change as well. And again, talking about production systems, we need to make sure there's an audit trail of any actions being performed by the entire team.
Totally. That's huge. Being able to see, again, just like activities that have been taken on specific secrets, and you have access logs. Now we've seen secret rotation, so many powerful features to just, kind of take all of the brain power that you would normally have to use in thinking about how you're going to have a secret management strategy. Doppler takes that off your hands. With this integration between Doppler and Railway, you get all of that power right into your Railway projects. Awesome. Thank you so much, Hamza. This has been really great. I hope everyone has gotten a lot of value out of it. Yeah, until next time.